Yeah. Lift me higher. Lift me higher. When the morning light is breaking and my heart is slowly waking, I feel the warmth upon my face, a gentle touch of heaven's grace. Through the trials I've been walking, through the storms that kept on knocking, still I rise with open hands, guided by the Father's plans. Every tear I cried, He turned into strength inside. Every heavy night, He brought me back to life. Lift my spirit higher, higher than before. Fill me with your fire, let my heart restore. Lift my spirit higher, let the whole world see your love is the power rising up in me. Lift my spirit higher, higher than before. Fill me with your fire, let my heart restore. Lift my spirit higher, let the whole world see your love is the power rising up in me. Voices rising in the distance, singing songs of hope and wisdom, clapping hands and stomping feet. Feel the rhythm, feel the beat. Every soul in celebration, every tribe and every nation, standing strong in unity, bound by love and harmony. Every fear I knew, you turned into something new. Every broken part, you healed inside my heart. Lift my spirit higher, higher than before. Fill me with your fire, let my heart restore. Lift my spirit higher, let the whole world see your love is the power rising up in me. Lift my spirit higher, higher than before. Fill me with your fire, let my heart restore. Lift my spirit higher, let the whole world see your love is the power rising up in me. Lift me up higher, higher. Fill my cup, fire, fire. Guide my way, fire, fire. Together your love lifts me higher. When I'm weak, you make me strong. When I'm lost, you lead me on. In the silence of the night, you surround me with your light. Lift my spirit higher, higher than before. Fill me with your fire, let my heart restore. Lift my spirit higher, let the whole world see your love is the power rising up in me.